Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Nerdle puzzle. This is Maths Wordle. The idea is to guess the correct mathematical equation. And I'm going to start with the same sum that I always do because it tries a variety of different digits and symbols. And a lot of them are useful today, but none of them are in the right place. So we've got to use 9, 8, 7 and 2. And the equals is not in the right place either. So it's going to be either a 1-digit answer or a 3-digit answer, because they never have the equals any further to the left. It's never something equals something plus something. It's always something 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 equals something. There's never any symbols after the equals. So if it's a 3-digit answer, we're going to be using times. It's going to be 2 digits times 1 digit. And that is plausible. The other option is we have to use division to get to a 1-digit answer. I'm really hoping that's not how it's going to go, because it's always much more difficult when that's what happens. If we tried something like 29 times 8, that would give us 232. That's not right, because we have to use the 7 somewhere. What about 79 times 8? Because then we will be using the 2 in the last digit. That would be 560 plus 72, that's 632. Oh, that can't quite be right because we can't use the 3. Why are there so many sums that use the 3? How about if we move things around a touch and we do 8 first times 79? No, that's what we just had. I meant to do 7 times 89 because then that does at least give us a different answer. That is going to be, oh no, is it? That's 560 plus 63. That's going to end in a 3. That's not what we wanted at all. I've moved the wrong things around. It was 8 times 79, so I need to do 9 times 78, don't I? But I can't, because I can't do 78 and I can't do 9 times. Okay, so that's not going to work. There might be something else that works. That is the problem. Ah dear. The other option is division, as I said. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. 3-digit number divided by a 2-digit number is a possibility. But then we're still going to need a 1-digit number times a 2-digit number, essentially, aren't we? We're going to need to think of something that uses all of these digits and doesn't use a 3. Oh dear. What did we do? We did 8 times 79. If we did 7 times 89, no. 9 times, what did I say? 9 times 78. That is 702. Okay, so that's what we can do. We can do 702 divided by, what was it? 98? I've completely forgotten again what I was, 8 times 79. 9 times 78. That was 78. And that was 9. That works, doesn't it? Okay. It's not right, but it's close enough that we should be able to get this very quickly from here. That is correct, that is correct. So if the 2 goes there, then that would be 630, 648. Yeah, we haven't used the 6 or the 4, so that's going to work and that's going to be correct. And that took a bit longer than it should have done, just because multiplying all these 9s, 8s and 7s by each other messed with my head too much. That should have been quicker, but obviously I'm happy to only take 3 guesses. It is a successful Nerdle, eventually. Thank you for watching and bye for now.